Yo, what is good? William Idell back again with another video. Today we will be doing a product shoot for Bruno and Marc. Alright, so strap in and let's go. Alright, welcome back guys. So in today's video, we'll be partnering up with a modern and quality shoe brand company that reached out to me on Instagram by the name of Bruno, Marc. Nice quality shoes, very comfortable, tailored for men. They make also Chelsea boots, sneakers, leather shoes, and loafers. So they sent me 2 pairs of shoes. They let me select what shoes I wanted. And I went with these caramel brown joints here. These are pretty nice. These are about 50 bucks on their site, I think. Pretty good shoes, right? So we're gonna be shooting those, and we'll be shooting these guys right here. Fresh box smell. Just, yeah, so good. Look at these babies. Shout out to Bruno and Marc for reaching out to me, man. These are some really nice shoes. I didn't check the price on these, but these are pretty cool. So I put together a mood board. I put together multiple mood boards on this Chrome extension that I found, and it's called, let me see if I can get the name so I can let you guys know. Quick Moodboards. All right, I'm gonna screenshot this for you guys so you can see. I'm gonna put it on the screen, all right? All right, so with this Quick Moodboards extension, you can go to a different page, whether it's Pinterest or whatever, and you just right click on the image that you want. And when you right click on the image that you want, there'll be an extension that says add image to mood board. And as you can see, I have multiple mood boards set up on my page. So what you want to do is add it to the previous mood board or add to a new mood board and then go from there. So let's say for instance, I want to go add to a new mood board, right? And I click on this, a box pops up and I'll put men fashion, all right? Click OK, and maybe I want to scroll down and look for some more images that I might like this one right here. Click on this, right click, add to mood board, men's fashion. And what will happen with, you'll see all these images like this, how I have set up for these shoes. So I was trying to get some ideas and some inspiration before I just, dive straight into this project, especially considering that I'm going from shooting models and subjects far as on that nature to shooting products. I've shot products before, but I have way more lights now, and in today's project I don't want to use strobes or flashes. I'm leaving the alien bees on the shelf and the Godox on the shelf, and I'm gonna use Amaranth, and I do have a Godox, this light right here behind me. I might use that as a headlight, but we'll see as the tutorial go on. But I want to use constant lights on these shots, and I want to shoot from that level of photography, and I want to see what we can create. But the mood boards will look like this. You can move the images around and you can resize them. And as you can see, I've been getting a lot of ideas because I didn't know what angle I want to go with. With these shoots, I've even came to the conclusion that I might just shoot multiple concepts, not only for just practice, but just to have, some options when I, decide to turn this into the agency that reached out to me to shoot these shoes for Bruno and Marc, which is very cool. And also is a good testament to why if you are into fashion, or whether it's men's fashion or women's fashion, and you are looking for brands to reach out to you for collaborations of that nature involving free products or money, depending on how many followers you have, you want to keep your page consistent as far as quality. So a lot of people post a lot of things and they're like, well, I want to be brand ambassador, this, that, and the third. Well, first thing I do is, let's go take a look at your page and see what's going on. And if you don't have a consistent look on your page and it doesn't really show anything of interest to a brand that would want to reach out to you, they're not going to reach out to you. Things like this, practicing, shooting different, objects, whether in your house. I mean, you can do this with your cell phone and some good lighting and post pictures and just reach out to, and brands usually will reach out to you. That's what I did with H&M a long time ago in Express. I would just go buy their clothing and I would go shoot it and I'll tag them, and then by the time you know it, you have these companies reaching out to these agencies and they're like, hey, we like your stuff, we saw your Instagram, and this said company is reaching out to us and they're looking for influencers or whatever they want to call it, and they like you. How would you like to, if we send you some stuff, if you take some pictures in the video, and boom, is at your front door. But you have to have a consistent look if you copy, all right? So I have my mood board set up, and we're gonna move this table back into the shooting area, and we're gonna start setting up lights. So I'm gonna go through here, and I think we're gonna go for what I think is probably gonna be my hardest, is the loafers, which are here. I think I can get some solid images with this based off some things I have around the office. It kind of gives more off of a dapper, elegant man style, where this is more of a comfort, which is why I chose 2 different style shoes. This is more of a comfort. Walking, maybe, you know, business, you know, handling business with, you know, associates, clients, or whatever. Tennis, coffee, work, you know, this is the type of shoe. So I'm trying to see where we're gonna go at with that, you know. I do want to take some still images as if they're product images for like a magazine ad. That's the first thing I want to do. I think I want to do 2 different light setups for that. And then I want to focus on some with me wearing some clothes and with that. And then maybe I can extend the tutorial or do a part 2 for shooting outside as an editorial. But I have to get a location. It's kind of cold. The weather's not good. So I decided to shoot in studio, which is what we're doing here today. All right, so this is going to be the first pair of shoes we're going to work on. I'm jump back there, and we're gonna start moving these lights, and we're gonna go from there.